I've got my Seoul Beauty Club box fully customized. So if you want to see what I chose, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I just outside making potty with my mom, and Chloe is doing some homework. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion. We talk about products, we talk about the ingredients in the products, we talk about why you want the products, and whether or not they are cruelty free. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so this box, totally customizable. I got them to my correct email, or the one I check regularly, and was able to customize this. But you can say, no, I don't want that. I want to pick my own products, which I did. This was going to have, I think, like 6 or 8 products. I don't know. There was quite a few products in there, but I wanted to choose different ones. Not because there was anything wrong with what they were sending. I just wanted to see what else they have, and a few things caught my eye. Now, this is, I believe, $59 a box. I got like a 25% off discount for the life of my subscription. But they always have deals going on. Follow them on Instagram, you'll find the best deal. Now, to be honest, I didn't look up the products, which I should have. I just know that a lot of the K-beauty brands, majority of them I feel like, are cruelty-free. Here is your sneak peek. Now, I only got 4 products, but that's because 2 of them were considered luxury, I guess. So the first thing I got was by Keith, and it is the Saint Berry Perfumed Hand Cream. Keith is generally recognized as a cruelty-free brand, as their products are not tested on animals at any stage of their development, and they do not sell in countries where it is required. However, they are not yet certified by Leaping Bunny or PETA. Now, this retails for $35, and it has the scent of So Black Oud, Lily Madonna flower extract, and it also has ceramide NP ingredients to brighten and smooth your skin. It says, surrender to the intoxicating sweetness of rum-soaked raspberries, complemented by the subtle spice of pink pepper. As you cradle the crimson orbs of fortune in your palms, let this signature blend awaken your senses. I can't even get it open. Ooh, it smells very nice. All right, so right there, my box is half paid for. Come on. Next, by Barl, is a charcoal melting cleansing balm. They didn't give me any choices of makeup this time. There wasn't a ton of choices, but I don't know. There was something about this, when I read it, I was like, all right, that looks good. All right, so here's how it looks. Wow. And then you see this, so you turn it from the bottom and it starts to like curl up out of here. I think that's why I got it. I was like, that's pretty cool. This is regularly priced at $50.40, but I did find it on sale at Dodo, D-O-D-O, for $36.40. It says detoxifies and refresh your skin with this melting balm. It's a balm to oil cleanser that's going to melt away makeup, excess sebum, and pollutants. It's powered by activated charcoal's deep cleansing action. It's enriched with skin-loving emollients and barrier-supporting ingredients. It's going to refine pores and leave skin pristine, balanced, and touchable soft. Ideal for oily combination or pollutant exposed skin in need of effective yet gentle cleansing. You're going to put a little bit in between warm, dry hands and then massage in circular movements. Makeup and impurities will melt away. Add a little water and then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. This brand is cruelty free, and this is vegan. It actually says that their product lines, such as this product and their Jelly Ball Cleanser, ooh, that sounds fun, are officially classified as 100% vegan and free of animal testing. Okay, these were the luxury items, and it is the Dr. Graft Arania shampoo and treatment, which I believe this was the conditioner. I could be wrong. The shampoo says hair loss and protein care, and the treatment says spider silk protein care. This brand is cruelty free. However, they are not currently recognized by either Leaping Bunny or PETA. So it contains the MCB Growth Factor cocktail formula to help manage healthy scalp and hair loss, spider silk proteins. It says it is stronger than steel when in equal mass, and Dew Point's Kevlar, which is known to be the strongest man-made fiber. Spider silk has high elasticity, is biodegradable, biocompatible, which makes it a very attractive material in the field of biotechnology. It has 17 kinds of amino acids and 6 plant extracts to include wedgeweed extract for scalp improvement, Hoitokunia cordata extract for cell promotion, mulberry bark extract for skin soothing, iris root extract, which strengthens the hair root, ginseng extract for cell regeneration, and cnedium extract, which is skin soothing. It also has panthenol, salicylic acid, and menthol. Salicylic acid is going to get that scalp nice and clean. The panthenol is going to moisturize it, and the menthol is kind of just a refreshing feel on there, kind of like, I don't know, just if you've ever had it in your hair, you know it's like a tingling, clean feel. This typically retails for around $36. This is quite large. Let's give it a sniff. Nothing really stands out in the scent. I'm also smelling the lotion on my hands, so there's that. And then the treatment, it says dry wet hair after shampoo. Take an appropriate amount on your hands, spread evenly through the hair and scalp, rinse with water after 2 to 3 minutes. So it sounds like it's a conditioner. It's going to detangle. This retails on their website, I think it said $23. $24, and it is 200 milliliters. So these were considered luxury items, which is why I only got to choose 4, but I am really happy with my choices. And I mean, honestly, everything was kind of in the pricier range, so I definitely got my money's worth. Super excited to try these. I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling it, but yeah, I love this hand cream. All right, let me know your thoughts down below. I don't know what my favorite is yet because I haven't used any of it, but I will keep you guys informed, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.